Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about Chic Intuition Fab. So it's a razor. I've already done a video on the razor because I had purchased it kind of recently. I was looking for something better than the razor that I was using before, which was just, I think it was just like a regular razor. So I wanted to try this out and ended up really liking the razor. So I ended up going ahead and buying the refill cartridges because this I brought on my vacation for like 2 or 3 weeks, and as you can see here, the razor's looking pretty dull, and the white moisture, there's still a little bit left here, but mostly came off here, so that definitely affects your shave, and I feel like it doesn't give you as close of a shave when the moistures come off and you gotta replace the razor. I have like thick coarse hair, I'm Italian, so I basically need a really good razor, and they say if it's dull and you don't replace it often, that cause irritation and razor burn and ingrown hairs and stuff like that. So I want to make sure I'm definitely using a good razor. So I purchased this, and it comes with 3 cartridges. I really can't say how long this will last because everybody's hair growth cycle is different. Everybody shaves a different amount of time. For me, I have pretty coarse hair, so every like 3 weeks I would say I change the blade. Plus I think my husband sometimes borrows my razor, and because I find it in a different condition than I left it. But so this also fits most Venus handles. Venus is also a really good razor, so that's good. If you guys, you know, say this is cheaper or on sale and the Venus isn't, you could go ahead and purchase this and it'll still fit on there. So, or if you have a Venus razor, you don't want to have to buy the whole razor and the cartridges, then you'll be fine to use this for your Venus instead of having to go ahead and buy the whole razor. So this is made of paper, recyclable. The ingredients are all listed here, but they're all like pretty hard to pronounce, and I don't want to butcher them for you. But you guys could see here, one thing I don't like is like it's yellow on white. It makes it really hard to see and read. So there's titanium dioxide, laurel glycol, cross palmer, and then there's shea butter. So that's it's shea butter on the outside of the cartridge. That's what makes the skin nice and smooth. So Intuition Fab. It's Fab, safely shave forward and back without lifting the razor from your skin. Top bleeds shave up, bottom bleeds shave down. I don't always do that. Maybe I'll try, maybe it'll give me a better shave, but I usually just shave up and then I'll like do it like 2 times if I miss any hairs. The Advanced Moisture Gel for Effortless Glide is on the razor. This product is not manufactured or distributed by the Gillette Company, owner of the registered trademarks of Venus, Simply Venus, and Venus Swirl. Proof of purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I opened this up and it has the 3 razors that are like the refills for the razor. So easy to open. Slide this back. Sorry, it's taking me longer because I'm using my hand, but so you can see on the back here, this is where the razor slides into. So basically this just pops off. So it pops it right off. And by looking at this, I always get confused on this part, which way this goes in. So the original razor, I think it came with 1 or 2, I think it came with like the cartridge on it, and then it came with an extra one in the pack. So just so you know, when you do buy the razor, you get 1 or 2 cartridges with it. So, but these are always going to be sold separately. So I think this is the right way to do it. I think I'm putting this in the right way. And then it just snaps in. You guys see, you can see the strips of the white shea butter on the back, the moisture gel, which trust me helps so much. Like I can't use like a cheap, no offense to Bic, but I can't use their razors. They're just cheap and they make me, my mom like swears by them, but I just can't. Like they just cut me and they're uncomfortable to use, and no way. I need something with like a moisture gel. So like I said, like, you know, this was the one that I used previously and this is the new one. So you could see the difference, like the blades itself looks so much better in the new one compared to this, and you could see like this is completely white, and then you could see where the moisture came out of in this one. So definitely good to replace it, like I said. And I mean, this is designed for women, but I suppose men could use it too, because like I said, I definitely think my husband uses my razor when I'm not looking. So this is Intuition Fab. Comes with 3 cartridges. So this is, like I said, the refill. So this does not come with the razor. It is sold completely separate product. Yeah, so I really like it. I'm very happy with it. If I wasn't, I wouldn't have gone ahead and bought the refills for it. So I hope you guys will try out Intuition Fab razor and cartridges by Schick, and I hope you love them. Thanks.